Istanbul in Kadıköy and eating traditional German food, doner. Good morning guys and welcome to day 25 of our travel daily vlog. Right now we're still in Istanbul and today we're gonna go to Kadıköy district, which is another side of Istanbul in Asian part of the city. And for this we're gonna need to use ferry. Right now we're trying to find where we need to buy the tickets. I saw this advertisement just a few days ago on Instagram that one doner place make these AI generated pictures, and we're here right now. This ferry is like a public transport, so you don't need to pay a lot and you will enjoy the boat ride for almost nothing. Ticket cost 90 lira, which is $2.2 per person, and we can go on the upper floor and enjoy the view.
We jumped here on this ferry exactly last minute. We are so lucky today.
Yeah, because the next one only in 30 minutes and we're pretty in rush.
The view is wonderful.
Amazing attraction just for $2, right?
Just perfect.
We're here in Istanbul in Kadıköy and eating traditional German food, doner. Because when you visit any German cities, like every second cafe is Turkish kebab, doner. So I think it's just traditional German food. Enjoy. But they have this Turkish tea. We got something very delicious. It's called Dubai chocolate cake. Right now we're gonna try it right here in Istanbul, and in a couple days we're gonna try it in Dubai. Enjoy. Try it, try it.
You're gonna like it. Very premium pistachio.
And again, it's time to go to airport. It's flight day for us. We are going from Istanbul to Abu Dhabi this night. It's overnight flight. So right now we're going to subway and directly to airport. Ticket cost 50 Turkish lira, which is about $1.5. And you don't need to even buy the paper ticket. You can use your card. Doesn't matter it's Visa or MasterCard. But remember that you can use only physical card, the Apple Pay not working. And you can go directly to the airport by the subway, which is very good. Actually, the design is very human when you can get to the airport by public transport and not paying crazy amount of money, like for example in Paris Beauvais, where you need to pay over 20 euro per person for one way to go from airport to the city. It's like crazy. And here you pay $1.5 and you're there. Flight is in about 2.5 hours, and that's actually first and one of the few flights where we have checked bags. Right here we pack it and protect it with stretch film. We get it from grocery store, just the regular one, to protect our backpacks. And in many airports and also here you can use this wrapping station, but the price is $12 and we pay for this food stretching film only $1, so we save a lot everywhere. Guys, day 25 is over. already boarded into the plane, and see you tomorrow in Abu Dhabi. Bye.